Ever wondered how efficient asset performance and portfolio investing can revolutionize the way you conduct business? This is where Blackcoffer comes into play. Blackcoffer, a global leader in IT consulting, has been providing data-driven solutions for over a decade. With a keen focus on compliance and industry-leading standards, Blackcoffer has been the trusted partner of numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. One of Blackcoffer's groundbreaking solutions was for a leading tech firm in the USA. The objective was to create a dashboard with assets performance using a React app. This would allow users to evaluate key metrics from data analytics and forecasting. The solution involved the creation of 2 pages, a screening asset performance page and a portfolio investing page. Power BI was used to achieve this requirement without any additional stack, using page navigation and bookmarks to create reports like a web application with a React app. Azure AAD, MongoDB BI connector, ODBC connector, and DAX Studio were among the tools used in the project. Techniques like star schema were employed, and skills like data modeling, performance analyzer, and vertipack analyzer were put to use. However, as with any project, there were technical challenges. The time for loading pages increased due to raw data, and the cold start of the report took more time than usual. These challenges were tackled head-on. By shifting from Snowflake to star schema, the performance of the report was improved. The use of Performance Analyzer helped in debugging and resolving glitches. Further, extraction and transformation of data made it less complex, and removing unwanted data from a website perspective resulted in data reduction by 75%. The impact of this project was significant. Less coding with Power BI sped up the development process and achieved the best user experience in less time. In conclusion, Blackcoffer, by leveraging Power BI, Azure AAD, and other tools, was able to create an efficient asset performance and portfolio investing solution for a leading tech firm. This not only resolved the initial problem, but also had a significant business impact by speeding up the development process and providing a superior user experience. So if you're looking for data-driven solutions to revolutionize your business, Blackcoffer is the way to go. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.